So I'm not gonna lie, this GT coin tray cup holder for my NSX is such a nice add-on. Absolutely love it. But when driving and trying to shift at the same time, the cup holder does get in the way, especially if you want to really enjoy the NSX for what it is and just like get into it. You don't want to drive like this, right? I mean, it's nice to have a cup here, but it does get in the way. So that's why we have a different solution. The solution we have today right here is the Davis fabrication solution, and this is just a bar. It's going to sit underneath here and allow us to have two cup holders. Let me go ahead and unwrap this, install it, and we'll compare it to the GT coin tray cup holder solution. I think both are very valid solution. In fact, I'm going to keep both in the car, right? This one for the convenience, but when I want to get the cup out of the way, I can put it over here. So anyway, let me go ahead and get the Davis fabrication cup holder solution installed, and I'll show you guys how it works. All right, so taking it apart, we have the cup holder tray assembly, the rod here, and some instructions on how to put it together. Pretty simple instructions. The first step right here is to install the two 8 screws into the aluminum bar through the cup holder assembly. And the second thing is to install two of the included washers and use the 2 nuts. Do not over tighten. And then that's it. Remove the floor mat, place the cup holder underneath, and there we go. Push the mount towards the tunnel, then down the position, replace the mat with the side tunnel going underneath the cup holder. That is it. Do not pull the cup holder to remove. To remove, reverse installation instruction. When the rings are mounted, move to the outside, the cup holder locks. There we go. See, you want to lock the cup holders? There we go, lock. So cool. All right, let me check this out. Check out the cup holders right here. Here are the cup holders. Open it up. Nice. So these are the cup holders, and they'll be like this. They'll be chilling right there. How you use these cup holder is you're going to go ahead and swing these up. There we go. And then they are in this position. When you want to lock up the ring, just push them out like that. Push the ring to the side, and they will lock up. There we go. See, now the ring is locked, and you have a cup holder. Perfect. Well, let's go ahead and install this and see how the solution works. And then when you're ready to put it away, put this down, drop these in, and wrap it up like this. And then it hides away nicely on the side. All right, let's go ahead and install this and see how it goes. All right, so we got this mounted together. There's our cup holders right there. Super simple solution right there for the NSX cup holders. These things pops up, and you got your cup holders. These rings open, and they lock. Now, how do you attach this to the car? Super easy, super elegant solution. All we gotta do is, well, let's move the chair back so we have some room to work with right here. Let me move back the chair. Here we go, backrest up. There we go, move the chair back there. Okay, cool. So now what we do is we lift up the carpet and just put this thing underneath the carpet. It's as easy as that, guys. So let me see if I can pull up the carpet. There we go, pulling up the carpet. Man, I should vacuum the carpet a little bit, but that's for later. Okay, so this cup holder, where do we want this cup holder to be? So probably want it to be right here. And then we're gonna put the carpet on top of it, right? So find the place where we want to put the cup holder. Okay, so push this side in first, right there. And we'll slide the other side down and see if it fits. So there's the rubber pieces back there. It's gonna hold our cup holder in place. Okay, nice and easy. Slide it down. Yeah. Cup holder installation. Super easy. With the metal bar down here. Maybe get this to be kind of aligned together. Okay, there we go. That's in now. All right, so now that's down. Let me see if that works. All right, so we have that piece there. It ain't gonna go anywhere. I guess we can put it parallel right there. There we go. Get the most pressure out of it. And just find the placement where we want the cup holder. Oh, you know what? We don't want it too far back. We want it as far forward as possible, so we have some room for the chairs to slide back and forth too. There we go. So once you find the perfect placement that you want, you just line up this bar, just pressure fits around here. And once the carpet's on top, this thing does not rotate. It won't rotate. So I'm gonna go ahead and put the carpet on top. That's it right there, guys. It's just a flat bar laying underneath the floor mat. So let's put the floor mat back and let's see how everything looks. So here's a floor mat coming back into place. There's your floor mat. Let's get the floor mat underneath the cup holder. It's a little fidgeting here just to make sure it fits nicely underneath the cup holder. There we go. Snug fit. Oh, nice. Dude, that's such a clean installation of those cup holders. Now check it out. We got the cup holders. Boom. Open up the cup holders. Yeah, look at that. Open up the rings. Nice. got cup holders right here. So once they're open up right here, when you want to use them, open up the rings, and the rings will lock up once you open. That makes sure that they don't fall down, right? So here we go. We got the rings open on both sides. We can put our drinks in here. There we go, dude, that's sweet. That's a good fit right there. Your long drink, tall drink, don't matter. It fits nicely. A hot drink right there. How about cold drink right here? Water right here, some peach water. There we go, dude, that's solid. That ain't going nowhere. Wow, that's such a cool and simple installation. That is nice. Like I said, guys, I have this cup holder right here, which I love. This is the GT coin tray cup holder. It works really good. Look how deep it goes in. Boom. Now that's solid. Ain't going anywhere. But like I said, it gets into the way the shift knob. So that's why I like the solution here. I'm keeping both solution. That way, wherever I want to have drinks, I can have so many drinks now. Yeah, that's what we're talking about. Space well used with this cup holder solution. Anyway, let me put this back here, right here for a second. And let me go ahead and show you guys how easy it is to close this up. So close up, put the rings in, push your rings in. Now these things pop down. This thing pops up, and there you have a seamless installation for the NSX cup holder solution. Well executed there and there. Yeah, good stuff, good stuff. Again, this is the Davis fabrication cup holder solution. It has a bar underneath there like you saw installation. No tools needed to install. Super easy, super easy. There's no drilling, there's nothing. Just lay it underneath there and this thing ain't gonna go anywhere. It's solid. This is such a good solution right there. By the way, guys, I know my carpet's dirty. If you guys want to clean your carpet, I do like the Eufy H30 vacuum. This one is really nice. I have the link for this in the cards down below. But this thing is powerful, guys. Check out how much power this thing has. Super powerful vacuum right there. Cordless vacuum. Love this thing, love this thing, love this thing. But anyway, whether you guys want the Davis fabrication cup holder solution right here, or you want the Skyz-Design GT coin tray cup holder right here, you can actually fit a phone on the side too, and it's felt. Both of these cup holder solutions are nice. I have the link for the GT cup holder and the Davis fabrication design cup holder solution, whichever one you want. Believe it or not, there's one more cup holder solution design, and it's a 3D print one, and it's free. You want this one, you can get the design from the link down below. And the way this cup holder works is you open up this back bin right here, and you see how there's a little tab right there? There's a little tab right here on the cup holder design printed at the back here, and you slide that in here and you push this down, and now you have a cup holder for your NSX. But I don't like this one because you have to reach really far back to get to that cup holder. See how this cup holder right there and have that holder right there? That one's way back there. But if you want to, you can also put your cup back here, and it'll hold and it'll stay put for a long time. You want a coffee cup? You can do a coffee cup right here too. But yeah, the front one's a little bit smaller. Probably the front. So this front one is for like a soda can because you're not gonna be able to fit much on this front cup holder. But the one in the back right here is solid. It's just like too far back. So yeah, this is an okay cup holder solution, but again, it's too far back. I prefer the GT Skyz-Design cup holder. I mean, look at this. Look at this. Boom. Now you have a cup holder that's solid. That fits nice, right? Or you can have cup holders right here. Davis fabrication solution. Boom. There we go. Cup holders right there. Another cup holder right here. Dual cup holder right here. Doesn't get in the way if you're driving. There we go, guys. You have so many solutions for cup holders. Free GT coin tray, Davis fabrication solution right there. And when you're done with this solution, you can fold it away. It's so elegant. Boom. Put the rings in, push rings down, pop the lids up, and there we go. You're good for the races. Oh yeah, cup holder solution for the win, guys. I mean, wow, look at us. I just love this cup holder. I'm just gonna place it up one more time because it's just so cool. You do need to pull out the ring right here to make sure that it's stable once you got it expanded, but there's a cup holder right there. So yeah, you guys got cup holder solution here or there, your choice. Multiple cup holders for the Acura NSX. There we go. Are you guys happy with the solutions? Which one are you going with? Let me know. But guys, there we go. The link for both items is in the description down below. And yeah, let me know if you have any questions. And if you guys like this video, please like and subscribe. Thanks a lot, guys. See ya. Peace. We out.